In this video, I will show you how to put a stop loss on Coinbase. By the way, later I'll show you guys the best way for even complete beginners to buy, sell, store, and exchange crypto. You don't want to miss that, so watch this video to the end. Using the stop limit auger option, this is a complete step-by-step tutorial. So if you follow along, you'll know exactly how to protect your trades by the end of this video. First, log into your Coinbase account. From the main dashboard, click on Trade. Once the trade menu loads, make sure you switch to Advanced Trade. This is important because stop-loss options are only available in advanced trading. After you're on the Advanced Trade screen, select a coin you want to trade. For this example, let's choose Bitcoin USDT. Once selected, you'll see the live price chart along with the trading panel on the right side. Now, let's assume you already bought Bitcoin at the current price, and you want to set a stop loss to limit your loss if the price drops. In this example, we want to set a stop loss of 42,000. On the right-hand side, click on Sell, then choose Stop Limit as the order type. You'll now see two important fields, Stop Price and Limit Price. The stop price is the price at which your sell order gets triggered. In our case, enter 42,000 as the stop price. The limit price is the price at which the order will actually be placed. It's recommended to set this slightly lower than the stop price to make sure the order gets filled, especially during fast market drops. For example, you can set the limit price to 41,700. Next, select how much Bitcoin you want to sell when the stop loss is triggered. After that, choose the expiration type. If you select Good Till Cancelled, the order will remain active until you manually cancel it. If you choose Good Till Time, the order will expire after a specific time period. Once everything is set, click on Continue and confirm the order. Your stop limit order will now appear in the Orders section, and it will automatically activate if the price reaches your stop level. As promised, if you're looking for the easiest way to buy, sell, store, and swap crypto, I recommend checking out Rock Wallet. It's a super cool app that lets you stay in complete control of your crypto, since it's non-custodial. Even if you've never bought any kind of cryptocurrency before, and you're not tech-savvy at all, Rock Wallet will walk you through it, step by step. You can install the app for free, using the link in the description below. If you would like help installing Rock Wallet and creating your account, click the video showing up on your screen. It's a detailed tutorial walking you through the exact steps to setting up and using Rock Wallet.